Hmm. The toilet's blocked. That's not flushing at all. Hmm. It's always the wipes. It's just a weird flush. There's something wrong with this thing, man. I need to pull it, unfortunately. It's leaking really bad out of the front here. So the flange is a little low, but there's not much compression on the, doesn't look like the toilet's really pushing down on the wax. So it's not that low though. Extra thick wax should resolve that. Maybe if I put one spacer on there, that would be better. I might do that actually. So there's nothing caught in here. Take a look at this. There's nothing caught in the toilet. But look at that. It's holding water. That's why it was flushing weird. So there's likely a main line stoppage. So because I know for a fact this isn't roots or anything other than likely a wipe backup, this will be plenty. Now if I was thinking it was roots, or the stoppage was in a 4-inch line versus 3-inch, I would use the K60 or yeah, now what is called the K60? Yeah, but this will absolutely suffice to get this water to drop. No wipes or anything. Just a soft blockage, dude. You can see this drops straight down into a combi. I don't know if you can see it or not. See it? Drops straight down into a combi. And this likely picks up the toilet. No, that wouldn't make sense. Well, whatever, I don't know. We got it, so let's reinstall the toilet, yeah? Going back with the extra thick. This really is not that low. It's maybe 1/8 of an inch below the tile. So I am confident that an extra thick wax will be enough. I would even do, if this was on a second floor, I would use an extra thick wax as well versus raising that up, because I just don't think it's necessary. And I'd be confident that this won't leak, so. Okay, we're gonna flush it a few times before I caulk it. That's way too high. Now it's flushing normally.